Long live, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live. Justice, 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 justice. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Polisi ni tung play. Kachesong pantang nang mo. Kachesong pantang nang mo. Kachesong pahay nang mo. Kachesong pahay nang mo. Kachesong pahay nang mo. Long live, long live, long live. Long live, long live, long live. ABC long live, long live, long live. ABC long live, long live, long live. ABC long live, long live, long live. Yes, long live, long live, long live. Yes, long live, long live, long live. People struggle 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 long live, long live, long live. Jakong lang no pabir nang ma, jakong lang no pabir nang ma, jakong lang no pabir nang ma, hindi lang no pabir nang ma, hindi lang no pabir nang ma.
Justice! Long, long, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live. Justice! Justice!
Eradicate ignorance so as to improve the living condition of the people living in the border area. The problem of unemployment in these bordering villages is also one of the main obstacles which hinder the economic progress of the people. From United Khasi Jainte Hills district. In the last 50 years, time and again, the political scenario have created misunderstanding and mistrust among the mass in the border. The political situation at times brings to the situation in which people residing in the border, particularly Khasi Panars, do doubt themselves whether they belong to Meghalaya or Karbi Anglong, Assam. The present situation calls for an urgent need to relook the issue and come to the final solution. As the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya has adopted the give and take policy, we the people of Karbi Anglong, particularly residing at the border area, vehemently opposed the policy unanimously. The boundary is well defined and absolute. It is worth mentioning that facilities were provided and many social welfare schemes have been provided, particularly Khatkasla, Sier, Moluber, Mojem, etc., mostly inhabited by the Khasis or Panars. There was a government LP school at Khatkasla, a Ganwadi center at Moluber, but with no reason the Khasis or Panars had refused such facilities. So too, they were given PMGY scheme. Since 1986, villagers of Khatkasla and Sier had stopped voting in Assam. From 2012, the Khasis or the Panars of Moluber, which was a polling station, ceased to vote. A memorandum submitted to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam through proper channel. submitted by Amreng Border Committee ABC, West Karbi Anglong, Assam, on this day of 6 September 2022. Honorable Sir, we the undersigned at the outset convey our heartiest kardom to you. May the blessings upon you that you may continue to serve humanity and enable Assam in securing sufficient progress and prosperity and march ahead with the rest of the country. We represent the villagers of West Karbi Anglong bordering Meghalaya, which are directly affected by border issues since long time. The area is being vastly populated by both Karbis and Khasis or Panars. The two communities or tribes have been living since time immemorial. The two communities are well defined in their own village setup. That, sir, our concerns and worries are many, and we want to highlight or bring to you notice the ongoing preoccupations among the mass at large. It is worth to study and bring to notice the fact and history regarding the border issue. It is learned that the boundary of West Karbi Anglong as per the notification number TAD/R/31/150 dated 3rd of October 1950 was well settled, and the notification your good office to redress the genuine aspirations of the people so as to ensure prosperity and create an environment in securing self-reliance in every sphere. Kardom. The United Khasi People Organization, UKPO, have collected ration cards and voter IDs, depriving them of the right of franchise of the Khasis of the Panars, people living at the border, during the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAC election 2022. Leaders of the United Khasi People Organization, UKPO, have accused the government, particularly the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAC, of atrocities against the Khasis or Panars, which is baseless and absolutely incorrect. They have been receiving schemes and facilities are at par with the Karbis settling at the border area. It has been, in fact, the Khasis or Panars who refuse all the welfare schemes given to them. Last and not the least, with humble submission, we wish to request you to inquire through a proper agency so as to create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. For such situation and conducive environment of peace and fraternity, development is an urgent need of the hour. That, sir, welfare schemes such as sanitation facility must be provided. Rural electrification and proper roads should be provided.
Ilitum kachenghon, Chief Minister Aphan, ilitum pajir pononang, ilitum ladak sucing video abaido aredeng pajir pononang, lasi non langsa a memorandum pajir jiaprang ilitum rat atum pen klardak pan akimang alam the klardak pen ilitum ladak chip ladak memorandum malong ko PC kitok pon malabang so alam the ilitum agorte James phangchu alang liphan kapapurhi det pen labang so memorandum ilitum submit ponona lasi no por nili alang liphan por kilo receipt tu sama mana receipt seal September. 9 September.
To pini ramdam nang pilo ako la kedang sot lo la si nilitum makam bang kedang nilitum nang pilo po la so memorandum lo nilitum ispis po si pinapakuri po ล้านสล็อตอันนี้ลีเป็นกับเรกกันนี้จะมุจิบังแกอาเวลการร
เราตุ้มนั่งลิตุมหันรีสปอนนั่งเอ็นเอฟเราตั้งแต่นั่งลิตุมแคสเอตุ้มเป็นคอปีไซส์เด้งปนปน
lagi kelar dah kalam no itu kedam tang itu pur kimole lang dam usun 1951 se litum district council mang seng lo lape isiban la dai litum chini nang ji 1972 se meghalaya bang full fledged state kilong la pula tang te yang si pinia mi himanta biswa sharma lapen corner ke sangma lang litum border dispute do pelte hala so prang chief minister no people se alam weda Masih dak bay litum jong tip na block 1 la pen block 2 bange border dispute awi po bang litum bange jong tip la pen litum kachuning region lam bange lalo give and take a policy long pen block 1 block 2 bang pajok ponong po hala bang so give and take a policy bange lang tum chebi drone ponang pola je block 1 and block 2 ke dispute area kan lipo bange
jong se nang litum phan la bang solam sarkar atum a respond nang en edet budang te nang litum ke bang jilangar ni ku anang deng nang litum cek lempon je
la se litum bange long li ke che the long li se kang bo pate dak party thorom dai litum chepang tang long de ja potsi litum bange council litum Karbi Anglong Thomas council pate team Karbi Anglong tum sa daito dolo la tum yosi pindi memorandum ke pi ban thang lam way ave pate litum ke council gherao se tame la so step bang si deng nang ko
pan kapachini je alam the la hen lo kidam tanga por ladak amreng constituency along la ke jirikendeng made sucheng development block pu isido labang so block along pensi hajat government pen a facility punon dak pensi pilo la son tak tak se enreka scheme an pu same khaserong ta deng ponlo la son tak tak se Karbi Anglong tadeng ponlo la son tak tak si PMYG ahem suan pusame kimpon rangpon pamelo amreng khasiarong pnararong along an pusame la pen land development field development an pusame arbon lamarang dengler la hai kaduk avelong pusame klempon lo lasi kiduan facility ang bong long lo la pen kave an bangke avera petlo la dakar bitawe khasetawe la poche long le rapet lo poche pini arni dak Karbi Anglong mata amreng border long kidu pinara korte la peningje artum Konar sang ma phan memorandum pen kachithandam je ne tum Karbi Anglong kidu la ke ne tum phan kai ki pusame kachine ka hulu torture la pen ke la son thak se development amu an pusame ne tum phan nang pipe po bangke la bangke alang li tum baseless lo kaning ye tap lo pusi nilhin pen bangke alang li tum phan puing tung la pen ke alang li tum jong si la ha ka duk ave aputhak langdam lo pulote kilong le bangke human lo la si itum Karbi Anglong Thomas council pen pusame 1951 pen 2016 pen kiching pini an pusame la su border issue bangke just summit Meghalaya sor pen wangsi nang insist la daga bangke border long ki dua tum facility long le po amen pen pinang analang tum claim lo la tum ration card pusame la tum collect at lo pini pinara korteng je tum ration card na chudeng dun long le lo job card pusame la sonse alang le tum thi at lo pon at lo la son thak thak se arni job card pon nang chongda dun long le dat lo la potsi Karbi Anglong pen non Karbi Anglong Thomas council pen mate kaching hon tuluram rong hang ahin pen non prabjing pen non la border a solution kivan je phana bangke claim vek nang je la pen ke bor evek nang je pusi nilhin pen tuning rilo athema dak rada tumke suluk sudak kidu yang ring son si nang do bom potsi nang li tum prabjing pen la bang so a solution bang kivan je phansi nilhin pen tuning rilo la pen ke pini arni Karbi Anglong Thomas council ahin
akhir dapen gari motor tanang tumitang rong isi asor rong asor saka cewan ili tumpen tangnat akirap awe pesanang litum anang acirap nang acitudun pot ili tumakami tang lo kunang litum nang acirap nang acitudun pot nang litum pan curupar pig lo lasi pini ame bangke ili tum ladak pen la papi yudan nang ili tum dam nang nelo lasi mitang ahem arit kacedam tuya pan nang litum pan nang litum hem le letik anta arnam le nang parap dunang nang perai dunang pusing